Learning new skills is vital for success in this ever-changing economy with constant technological advancements. In addition, studies reveal that most middle to low-skilled jobs are being replaced by automated tasks. In other words, some skills will soon be redundant. Therefore, there is a need for job seekers to learn newer skills that will be relevant in the new economy. So, what can you do to ensure you have the necessary skills to make you an attractive candidate for future employers? According to a 2016 Pew Research Center study, 63% of workers improved or learned new skills related to their jobs. For some employees, this meant enrolling in classes and graduating with a certificate or degree. For others, it's by attending seminars, training sessions, or conferences. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a job seeker, or just someone who wants to keep up with the times. This video is for you. Here are 5 high-value skills you will need in the new economy and how to acquire them to succeed in today's world. At number 5, we have leadership skills. Most people only realize how important leadership is once they find themselves in a situation where they could use those skills. Every organization, whether a business, a school, or a government institution, requires leaders to help guide the organization toward its objectives. Leaders provide direction and a vision, encouraging and motivating others to work toward the organization's goals. They also foster an atmosphere where everyone feels comfortable sharing ideas and working together to achieve the organization's objectives. You're mistaken if you think leadership skills are only necessary for those at the top of the ladder. Leadership skills can be practiced at any level, regardless of position or title. They are essential skills because a good leader can bring out the best in his team members and inspire them to work towards a common goal. In other words, a company must have leadership and strong management to fulfill its dreams. Some of the ways you can strengthen your leadership skills include developing discipline in your professional and personal life, taking on more responsibility, motivating and inspiring those you work with. Be open to learning new things, learn how to resolve conflict, and so on. These are but a few examples. Getting ahead in your career requires you to have good leadership skills. If you want to improve your leadership skills, begin by envisioning how you would look as a leader and how you can develop your leadership skills. If you are already a leader, think about how to use those skills positively to influence others. Number 4. Time management. Do you often get stressed out by having too much work or responsibilities? Do you ever feel like you have too many things to do and need more time? The trick to overcoming this is controlling time instead of letting time control you. And you can achieve this through proper time management. So what exactly is time management? Time management means using your time effectively and productively. It means planning how to split your time between different tasks. Whether you work from home, work full-time in an office, run your own business, or work for an organization, you must manage your time well to enhance your performance. Time management skills are essential because they help you use your time best. With good time management skills, you'll have time to do everything you need without feeling stressed. You can get things done and be productive by putting the most important or urgent tasks first and then moving on to items that are not as important but still relevant. This way, you can spend your time and energy on the things that matter the most. In the end, you'll be able to accomplish more by working smarter, not harder. People who manage their time don't need to put in extra hours. They know when they are most productive and make the most of this time, reserving their less effective hours for other tasks. Furthermore, time management skills do wonders for your mental health. When you know how to manage your time well, you can find a better balance between work and life, ensuring you have time for the things that matter most. Some of the most important time management skills include organizing and prioritizing tasks, creating a schedule and sticking to it, setting and fulfilling the goals you set, being attentive to your mental health, delegating tasks where needed, overcoming procrastination, and so on. With daily prioritizing and organizing tasks, you can develop a healthy relationship with time, which is essential for a successful and fulfilling life. Number 3. Creativity. Have you ever really thought about what creativity is? One way to describe it is the process of transforming imaginative ideas into reality. If you want to stand out among other professionals and make a real difference in your career, creativity can be your secret weapon in the new economy. There was a time when a degree was enough to get ahead in the workforce. However, in today's quickly evolving economic climate, creativity is one of the most sought qualities that can open doors to new opportunities. Don't get me wrong though, some jobs still require a degree. However, creative thinking skills such as idea generation, solving problems, thinking outside the box, and putting ideas into action to fix problems are essential in the workplace and daily life. So why is creativity so important in the new economy? Creativity is the ability to think about a task or issue in a new or different way, or use your imagination to develop new ideas. Creativity helps you think critically, find solutions to problems, and find new ways to do things. If you are creative, you see things from a different perspective and are eager and able to learn independently. Creativity isn't just a skill for artists, musicians, or writers, but a valuable skill for everyone. By improving your creativity, you can become an asset to any company and advance your career. Number 2. Emotional intelligence. Sometimes emotions aren't what they seem to be. Humans are complicated beings with a wide range of difficult-to-read emotions. For instance, a happy person may be masking great sadness. Emotional intelligence is the capacity to recognize these feelings and comprehend their sources of them. Emotional intelligence is identifying these feelings and determining where they come from. In the past, emotional intelligence seemed like a fancy skill to have. However, in the new economy, it's becoming increasingly evident that it's a must-have. In fact, a recent study by Capgemini found that 86% of companies believe emotional intelligence will be a must-have skill by 2025. So, how can you improve your emotional intelligence? Well, there are a few things you can do. First, you must focus on yourself and pay attention to how people react when you talk. Watch how you act when other people are talking. Do you judge quickly? Does your body language or the way you look say one thing, but what you say says something else? We can make easy changes by noticing and changing the negative words, phrases, and feelings we use most often. Second, use positive language. What we say affects how we feel, what we think, and what we do. It also affects how other people feel. So focus on the good and use words that help you and others move forward to change your environment. Lastly, show that you care. Being compassionate requires practice. Look for ways to be kind and caring to others, even if you don't think they deserve it. And if you need to ask for forgiveness, do so. You can also learn to be emotionally intelligent in several other ways. I've just given you a few ideas to get you going. Being emotionally intelligent will help you get along better with your friends, coworkers, and others in your personal life. In addition, having high levels of emotional intelligence will improve your personal and professional connections. You'll be able to connect with others, express yourself clearly, and adapt to the dynamic work environment. At number 1, we have critical thinking. This term is used a lot, and with good reason. When we say critical thinking, what exactly do we mean? Is this just the latest psychological or educational trendy phrase? Let's define it to ensure that everyone is on the same page. Critical thinking refers to one's ability to take in new information, analyze it, and apply it effectively. It also involves turning physical experiences into meaningful thoughts and reflections, articulating ideas and opinions, and digging deeper into information that may seem insignificant or useless at first glance. So how can you apply critical thinking to your life? In today's economy, critical thinking is more than just necessary. It's in fact the most essential skill that enables individuals and communities to solve all of life's challenges. Critical thinking helps people navigate life more intelligently and constructively, whether academic, professional, or personal. The global economy of knowledge is powered by technological advances and information. Therefore, you must be able to rapidly and successfully adapt to change. To succeed in today's economy, you'll need to be able to think, analyze data, and combine different types of knowledge while solving problems. Excellent critical thinking fosters such abilities and is crucial in today's dynamic workplace. In fact, the World Economic Forum ranked critical thinking as the first top skill required now and in the future. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end. If you have any comments or thoughts that you would like to share, please do so in the comments section below. I am looking forward to hearing from you. Lastly, remember to like and share this video with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Until next time, have a lovely day.